What's going on, guys? Hey guys, how you doing? So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our very first website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is easy mode, and this is the fastest way you can get a website on for free, and you don't have to pay hosting fees. This is my little tips and trick. So if you haven't already, check out my other videos to see how to install Cursor, and also how to. We're gonna go over. You're going to type in netlify.com. This is just where you host it for free. And yeah, they all have paid plans, but you can create an account for free. Or if you have a Gmail account, it's perfect. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a little link tree. So all a link tree is, it has your image here, and then it has your name, it has your bio, it has your social media links, and then it has website links or whatever you ever want to link to. It's a very simple website you can make. You could do it for free on Linktree, but the purpose of this exercise is to show you how to create something very fast, and you can do this for anything. Now, as you get more advanced, you can use React, React Native, other programming languages, but for beginners, we're going to teach you how to use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in plain English. You don't have to learn how to code. Like, there are other courses out there that can teach you how to code, but this is to get you going really simply. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Cursor, and which I already have open, and I was already creating I'm gonna delete this because I actually made the video before and it didn't go through. So we're gonna restart the entire process. So you're just gonna go in Cursor, and you're probably gonna see like open up any new folder. For example, this is my folder. We're gonna open it, and on the right hand side, it may look a little different, but you may see this, you may see this. You want to close the new agent mode, and you want to open up this side, which says toggle primary sidebar. So those are the only two things. This is on the left hand side, you see your files. On the right hand side, you can talk to AI. So let's just say let's create let's create a single web page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You know what? We don't even need JavaScript right now. Let's just CSS and HTML. Okay. Let's make the background yellow, and it's going to be a link tree, but only start with the circle image and name and bio. Use placeholder for image and make it look good on mobile too. Great. So while this is going, now another thing you could do is you could take this, copy exactly what I just said or your version of it, put it into ChatGPT, say make this prompt better, and then copy the result and put it back into here, and it'll make it better. Now, you could have just said make the entire link tree with all my links in one thing, but the goal is to show you that you can do this in and I'm doing it in smaller steps because it makes it a lot easier to figure stuff out. Now, over here, you'll notice only one file was created, an HTML file. And in the other video that we talk about, if you haven't already, in Cursor, you want to add in a plugin that allows you to open with Live Server. What that does, it just opens up the web page on your web page in your default browser. Sorry, I had a brain freeze for a minute. And so this is what it kind of looks like right now. Now, if you want to see what it looks like on mobile, you just have to grab your screen and make it look smaller, and that's what it looks like. So notice how it says your name, and this is the bio. Now we could click this, and we could look through the code, which is really small right now. It's only 103 lines. Now down here you will see your name, this is your bio. You could just change that and save it, or you could ask AI to do it here. I'm going to teach you how to just use AI to do it because the goal is for you to really just use English to write this. So let's just say make my name Zach Ross, and for the bio, make it say I teach non-technical people to code with AI. And if you open this back up, you're going to notice it's just going to really just change these two lines right here. So if you do know how to code, if you do want to look at the code a bit, that's what it's doing. I'm just giving you options, but I do recommend, if you're a beginner, to just talk to the AI and it'll do it for you. Now it will automatically update here. There we go. Now we can go, let's see, add next, you say next, add some example links below. Um, um, so I'm just going to show you. You can have it as small as that. And so it's going to create just simple example links to websites. And then you can actually, if you want to take, go to YouTube. Actually, that's a bad example. Let's go to my website, Coding Classmates, codingclassmates.com. If I wanted to link that, all you would have to do is see how now this updated. Add this website to. I copied it already, and you can just paste the URL and watch what's going to happen. Adding a link to here, and watch it. You can watch it in real time right here. So it's Coding Classmates, and you click it. It actually goes to my website. It knows how to do that. So we're going to go back, and I'm going to say for all these social media links, put above the website links in one row. Use icons for them. And if you make a typo, grammar, spelling, it's okay. AI is smart enough now where it understands what you're doing. If English is not your first language, that's okay too. It's not a big deal. AI is so smart. I know I talk fast sometimes. At any point during the video, if you feel like I'm going too fast, please just pause it, try it for yourself, and just talk to AI. It's really just having a conversation with another human, even though it's not a human. So check this out. Okay, so I added, YouTube, Twitter, and for YouTube right now it doesn't go anything. But if you say, hey, have the YouTube button go to here, and then you can just give it youtube.com, or you can do your youtube.com/your, that's my Google account, your channel. You could just do that. You could copy this URL and do it there. But I just want to show you that if I click it now, it just goes to YouTube because I told it to. So this is a very simple level. Now you may be saying, okay, well now I want to add an image. So you can do, let me see what else you want to do. So if you want to add an image, then you could create a new folder and call it, you can call it whatever you want. I call it assets. That's the correct term in computer science, but you can just say images just for getting started. And then you can upload, see if I can find, okay. We're going to find an image of me. This is my current one. We're going to copy this and we want to put it here. And then what we do is we right click this and we say copy relative path, not the path, the relative path. And then we say add this image. Now this is all I'm going to do. We're going to keep it straight and simple. And now we're going to deploy it onto the internet so anyone can try it. Okay? So it's removing that placeholder emoji from the CSS. And the CSS is just styling. It's just styling it. So then we see now it's here. Okay, you're like, well, now can I see it on the internet? Can you search it? No, it's when you see numbers like this is your IP address and a port, which just means it's running on my computer. You could say local machine, local host, but it's really just your own computer. Let's make sure I'm not dying. I'm at 6%. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back here, click add new project, deploy manually, and then we just go and find the folder that we started in. And in this case, I'm just gonna sort by date added. So today Linktree Example. Oops. We're going to take the whole thing that contains all the files. Sometimes it glitches. There we go. We're going to make sure it says drop it. And then literally within seconds, because it's such a small folder, it will create an app. If you type in darling-florentine-numbers.netlify.app, or you can just click this. I'm going to leave this up just so you can look at it. And literally you can take this URL and send it to your friends and be like, look, I made my first website with AI. And that's literally it. So that is one-on-one how to create your first website as fast as possible. I'm here for a resource. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd love to help you. Have a good day.